Ready to send money internationally but unsure where to even begin? This video breaks down the simple ways you can transfer money using Worldremit, so you can choose the perfect method for your transfer needs. First, let's explore the bank transfer option. Great for sending directly to a recipient's bank account. Visit the Worldremit website or use their app. Select your sending country, then the recipient's country, then choose the bank transfer option. Enter the amount you want to send and your payment information. After that, you will need to add the receiver's banking details, such as the account number, the bank name, and branch. Now let's discuss mobile money, a popular choice. It's fast and frequently used in many countries. On the app, select Send Money, fill in the details similarly to bank transfer, and select the mobile money option. Finally, there's cash pickup. This is great for those who need immediate access to money. When selecting your transfer method, you'll pick cash pickup. You'll need the recipient's name and specific details provided by Worldremit, which they'll need to collect the cash at a designated pickup location. Remember to compare fees and exchange rates for each method to find the most cost-effective option for you and your recipient. Whether it's bank transfer, mobile money, or cash pickup, Worldremit offers flexible options to fit your money transfer needs. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.